welcome on a stamp page. I'm super excited today to be participating in the Walking on Sunshine Hop from Crafty YouTube Collaborations. So my card today is going to be all sorts of shades of yellow and summery goodness. We are not sponsored as a whole, but each channel might have its own prize that it's giving away, so make sure you listen for those. I am giving away a beautiful like summery sunshine gift pack that's gonna just kind of be a mystery, and you'll get some fun yellowy stuff and like crafty goodness. I love doing things like that. It's kind of fun. And in order to win that, you'll just need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. I will have something specific I want in the comments later on, so be sure to listen to that. So what I've started doing is I've started getting some texture stamps together. These are Bo Bunny stained textures. I'm sure they're probably available somewhere. If not, I apologize. I'm going to be using my favorite Stephanie Bernard inks from the Stamps of Life. This one is Lemonade, this one is Banana, and then I also grabbed out Mustard just in case I decide to use it. I also found, and I'm not sure if this is still in the catalog or not, or if it's retired, but this is Flourishing Phrases by Stampin' Up. I loved it because I saw this on Facebook Marketplace for a really good deal. It's the stamps and the die cuts that go with it, but I really liked this little sentiment here. God wanted to brighten up the world, so he made you. And so that's the sentiment that I'm going to use on this, kind of walking on sunshine, walking in the light of God and brightening the world. And I might use this image right here because I super love this gorgeous floral image, but we'll see. The first thing that I wanted to do though is I wanted to use some of these stained textures to create kind of a little border down here, and I'm going for a 1-layer card, so let's hope that this works. I'm going to use this with my lightest color, and I'm just going to kind of create part of a border, and then I'll stamp over it with some other darker colors. I think I might stick a strip of yellow across here and have the sentiment on there. Alright, I really like the subtle bit of yellow on there, and I think in keeping with the yellow, I think I'm going to use the same mustard ink to stamp the sentiment. And so let's do that. Alright, so now that I've stamped that, I'm realizing there's a lot of space over here. So I grabbed a couple pieces of this beautiful yellow gingham ribbon and this pretty gold rose that I think will kind of go with the darker color. And so I'm just going to kind of adhere these. Before I put the rose on, I want to round my corners. I like rounding my corners on more clean and simple cards because I feel like it just gives it like this nice finished look. So I've got that done, and now we're going to put the rose right here, and then I might add a few more embellishments, but I'm loving how this is turning out. So pretty. And so I think on the inside is where I'll put the rest of this sentiment. Okay, so remember when I said I wanted to add a little bit more? So I die cut out some of these leaves and berries that match the same motifs that I have going on and that came with this God Wanted to Brighten Up the World stamp set. That's not what it's called. But I kind of want to add some of these in just for a little bit added texture to go with the rose, because I think that's super pretty and I want to make sure that it looks good. So I'm going to play with it for a little bit. I might just speed it up, I might shorten it, I might keep it in, I might not, but I wanted to show you that that's where I'm going with this. So there's my card. I realized that I had forgotten to take these little bits out and that they would probably start falling out, but I'm kind of okay with this look. You know, who knows? I might go ahead and change it up and try and get these little pieces out later, but for right now, I am really pleased with this, and I love how bright and shiny it is. I think it's perfect for this week's Walking on Sunshine hop. I told you earlier that I have a Walking on Sunshine prize that I'm giving away. In order to win that, again, you need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and in your comment, I would like you to share one thing that you love to do when it is sunny outside. For me, I love to go outside and play with my dog. She's so funny to watch because she gets so excited and she hops around like a little kangaroo. Do that for me in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and sticking with me. Like I said, it's been a hard week, so I really appreciate all your kind comments. And until next time, friends, hugs and happy crafting. Bye.